This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Burkhart. This is a very nice unit and ready to move into. Second floor with beautiful views of the lake and golf course. Large balcony with screening and Dade County sliding glass doors and 2 storage closets. Tiled foyer, kitchen, dining area, hall and balcony. Laminate flooring in bedroom and living area. Kitchen has been updated with stainless refrigerator, microwave, range and dishwasher. Kitchen with Corian countertop and extra workspace plus accordion shutter on the window. Bathroom has been upgraded with tiled step-in glass enclosed doors. Master bedroom has a walk-in closet. Foyer has screen/glass entry door. Unit is being sold furnished. Unlimited golf, water/sewer/cable and Wi-Fi. Monterey Yacht and Country Club has a pool, shuffleboard, bocce, putting green, library, 2 clubhouses, 2 fishing piers on the St Lucie River, exercise room, canoe/kayak storage upon availability. Convenient location close to the clubhouse. Come and enjoy all the benefits. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Burkhart at 772-219-1111.